So 2 years ago, I bought this DJI Mic 2 because I was going to start doing talking head videos. And today is the first day we're going to unbox it. Looks like a little bit of tear is already there. So why did I go with the DJI Mic 2? It is about $100 more than the previous version. And the reason is because when I was talking to the salesperson, they said that it does better noise reduction in a crowded environment. And they gave me an example of someone who is filming content in a gym. And the DJI mic that he had then, I believe it was the version 1, it was picking up all the background sounds in his gym. Now, I'm not doing any gym content, but I will be out, I hope, in the wild or in the outdoors making changes, and there's possibility of wind. So I want to do that. Seal. There it is. Looks like it's all ready to go. Magnetized, I didn't know. Really not a whole lot to the package. Stickers, quick start guide. Silicone gem. And it does come with nice wind protectors, I think they're called. I did not anticipate that they would come fully recharged. Nice. Just hold on to it. Whatever material that fur is, it's very slick. Nice. Nice. I did not anticipate that. I thought those would be an extra. cable. And not exactly sure what that is, but we'll find out. Anyway, that's all that I have. So, mic setup. 2025. That's probably when it was manufactured. And no, that's today's date. Silly me. And that's set up. And as you can see, the mic is working, but it's not actually attached to anything. So while it's picking up sound, I don't think it's going to be recording anything unless it's on my phone. Maybe we'll find out. You want to see my, well, let me introduce you. Take two. Let me introduce you to my assistant editor. Yeah, he's a real help.